Hello everyone, welcome to another video. I am tired today, but the show must go on, and I have 4 packages to unbox for you today. Thank you to all my lovely subscribers and to everybody that's watching this video. Now let's get into it. So this is the first package. I feel like it might be skincare. Let's open it and see what it is. And of course, it's skincare. I believe you can find this product on TikTok shop and also Amazon. This was a blind purchase. I saw a lot of people purchasing this product and great reviews. They were using this product on their faces on days where they didn't want to wear a lot of makeup. So guys, is this a good match? Hopefully it is. So as you can see, this part here is wet. I just applied it on my skin, and this is the part right here that has no makeup, so hopefully it will look good on my face. I don't know, we will see. Time will tell. But what I also saw was, I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think this product was supposed to, whatever your complexion is, it's supposed to, I guess, go along or blend in with your complexion. If you get something like somewhat similar in the range. That's what the girlies were saying, so I don't know, guys. Allegedly. On my hand, it does have a slight perfumey fragrance. So I don't know. This, at the time that I purchased this product, this was the second darkest color. So you had one shade, I believe one shade that is darker than this one, for reference. And this is here again, guys. It's dried down a little bit, but yeah. It's not too off. Now let's open this package. Let's see what's in it. Oh, let me guess what is inside of it first. It's probably skincare, guys. I mostly buy skincare, as you can tell, and hygiene products, so it's probably skincare. Let's open it and see. So that is another skincare product. I saw the girlies using this product for microneedling. However, guys, I'm not promoting to use this product for that. Do your own research and see what products are best for you. This is what it looks like, guys. Make sure you seek a professional before doing any microneedling. Yada yada yada. Disclaimer, disclaimer. This is how the bottles look. I'm guessing you probably have to use the syringe to take up some of this liquid and then put it in this to use the product. That's my guess, but I haven't tried this product before, so yeah, that's my guess. Yeah, once I look on the instructions, then I'll figure it out, but that's just my guess for now. My unboxing guess. Let's see what's inside the next package. Oh, one more thing, guys, before we move on. This exactly how I stated. That's what, yeah, I had to undo the box to show you guys this. So this is exactly how I stated. This is how you use this product. I like this. It's simple, easy, straight to the point. I think I know what's inside this product. It's something for your oral hygiene. Hopefully this product lives up to the hype. So this is the manual. Gives you all the ingredients, whatever to expect. And there's more information right here on this side of the pamphlet. And I like that they bubble wrapped it to make sure the product is secure. Now let's do a 360. And this is what it looks like though. Finally the product bottle. They have the safety seal right here. And this is what it looks like, guys. I've never tried this before, so this is gonna be my first time trying these. Hopefully it works and I get a better smile, healthier teeth, etc, etc. And now we have the final box. Let's get into it. So this is hyaluronic acid. I am excited to try this product because I feel like it's small and easy and convenient for traveling. I feel like I can't have too much eye cream because sometimes I don't get enough sleep, so I need to put back what I'm missing in the night. So yeah, let's now do a 360 of this packaging. And this is what they're looking like out of the package. See what I'm saying, guys? It's so small, you could just put in your luggage, whatever you need to do if you have to travel. And these are the little pamphlet for both products. And these are all the products that we showcased today. I don't know if you can tell, guys, it dried down a little bit more. The only thing I could say, I don't know if you can see it clearly on, I don't know if you can see clearly on camera. I think the BB cream is just a tad little bit more on the cooler tone, and I think I have more of a warmer tone skin complexion, but I think maybe a tad of, what you call it, like a correcting thing probably could fix that, but you hardly can see it. You have to really look close. I don't know if you could see on camera. Well, anyway, thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notification bell, and follow me for more videos. Bye.